All right. How's your lower back feeling today?
It's feeling way better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a little tight because I did legs yesterday.
Okay, very good. Let me just take a quick look here. Have you stand up. You're gonna face that way. Good. Carry a little muscle, more tone on this right side. Can you bend forward, touch your toes? Good. Come here, come back up. And one more time, you're gonna bend forward. You can see that there's more tone on this right side as we bend forward. Okay, come back up. So that's part of the problem, is that you have a little bit of a curve in your spine. Is that painful?
No.
No? Bend to your right, left, rotate. Good. And that way. Very good. You just worked out today?
Yeah, I did earlier.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's go, we're gonna go face down. Good. Just gonna take a quick look here. All right, so the QL is a little tight right there. That all right? Not too bad?
Not too bad.
All right. Good. Good. Just gonna go right in here. You can back up and get the whole body. Only when I do the adjustments, okay? Is that all right?
Yeah.
As you can see, it's tighter up here.
Yeah, I have to say.
Yeah, all the right side, you carry just a lot more muscle tone there. All right. I'm gonna go into your glutes a little bit here. If it's too much, let me know.
Okay.
We're okay?
Yeah.
Very good. Hit the other side for you. And go right in here a little bit.
Okay.
Take a breath in and out. Good. And relax. Good. Again, breathe in and out. Good. And relax. Shoulder. There we go. Good. We're going to get your neck in this position. Okay?
Okay.
So in the upper neck, it's hard to get. So what we're going to do is we're going to be in this position. You're going to scoot down just a little bit. Yeah, your body just shift down a little bit. There you go. And then relax. I'm going to ask you to turn your head to your left here. I'm going to slide my arm right in here. Good. And relax. Good. And I'm going to try to get right in here and try to relax. Good. Breath. Good. Yeah. Felt that up top?
Oh yeah.
Good. Then we're going to go to the other side. I'm going to slide my arm right in there again. And relax. There we go. And let's go on your side.
Facing one
We're
side.
going to face this way for me. Go good?
Yep. Yeah, I felt it right at the top.
Yeah, right at the top there.
Yeah.
There you go. Right there. And relax. I'm just going to pull your leg a little bit here. Good. Very Very good. So we're going to get right into the lower back here. You're going to try to relax here. There we go. Other side. Relax that shoulder here. Good. Face up. Excellent. And I'm going to just check your upper here a little bit. We got a little tightness in the lower cervical spine right in here. Try to relax for me. Good. And there we go. And try to relax for me. Breathe in. Good. Relax. There we go. A little tight in there. Good. Stay right there for me. I'm going to use some gloves for grip here. So what we want to do is we're going to do your hands and wrists, and then we're also going to do your feet a little bit.
Okay.
So about how many percent better do you feel overall since you started?
I feel way better.
Way better? Yeah. Sure. Try to relax more. Relax the hand. There we go. Good. 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 Let's extend that arm. You never can get really full extension in this elbow. Alright, we're going to swing around here. Good. And relax for me. Good. Relax. All right, let's go ahead and take off your shoes and socks.
I need my socks on. And I got my toenails.
Oh yeah, keep your socks on. That's fine. So I get this fifth digit in here. Good. Over here. Good. Good. Here. In. That one was like a deep one in there. There we go. Good, perfect. Just relax. I'm just going to pull a little bit here. Try to get that hip. And relax. Good. There we go. Felt that one move, right? All right, on your side, you're gonna face this way. Excellent. So just work on this. You have a tight psoas muscle, and this little muscle in here called the tensor fasciae lata.
Yeah.
That attaches to the IT band or iliotibial band over here. So we're going to loosen this up a little bit.
Okay.
Just relax. You feel that?
Oh yeah.
That's a kind of a tender area. Just working it back and forth.
That's tight there.
Yeah. what happens is you do a lot of squats and that kind of stuff, and sometimes when you sit and drive for long periods of time, this hip flexor in here with the TFL gets a little tight. Good. You alright?
Oh yeah.
So since we just worked this out, I'm just gonna work out this IT band.
Okay.
And use a little Graston on there. And that's where we use the tool.
Okay.
I'm gonna sweep that area a little bit. Alright. A little uncomfortable. Here we go. You okay with that?
Yep.
Pretty good. Most people are jumping off the table on this one.
Yeah. I actually done this myself with my legs.
You foam roll and stuff here?
I've done that. I bought that tool.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was bruised the next day.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's flip over, go to the other side for you. All right. So I'm going to work on this hip flexor again, on the TFL muscle here. Right in there. That's the most uncomfortable in there. All right,
Yep.
good?
Yeah. It's tight.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go right in here again. So, believe it or not, for people who work out a lot, is doing yoga or Pilates is helpful.
Yeah.
It just helps to balance things out, stretch the muscles. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. This side's a little bit more
yeah.
tight.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to do more stretching.
Yeah.
Usually when I work out, I'm in a rush, so.
Yeah. You're a busy guy, so. All right, on your back. On your back.
Oh my God.
That's fine. I'm gonna bend this leg here a little bit. Good. I'm just gonna go into that hip flexor in here, and then straighten out the leg. Bring it back up. Straighten out the leg. Bring it back up. And one more. Good. Go to the other side. There we go. Go right in here. Straighten out the leg. Good. Again. Straighten out the leg. Good. One more. Good. All right, let's have you get up, walk around, see how you feel.
Oh, that was tight there.
Yeah.
Feel way better.
Yeah, bend forward. It's a bit looser.
Yeah, definitely.
Come back up. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Much better.
Much better.
All right, very good. We'll see you probably next week or something for another appointment. All right.